All right, hello everybody. Photo's already fantastic. Welcome to London DevOps number 85. Did everyone have a good summer? Yes, good. Let's move on. Right, we're going to get straight into it with Jamie, who's going to talk about DevOps Connect, because he needs to get a train, so he's going straight in before my intro.
I'm in a tiny bit of a rush, so good evening everybody, hope you're all okay. My name's James Constantino, I'm the Partnerships Lead for DevOps Connect. Quick show of hands, has anybody ever heard of us? 1, 2, okay, amazing. Effectively, we're here to support the local tech community in very loads of different ways. We're doing that by running our own awesome, massive conferences in London, Manchester, San Francisco, Sydney, and then investing the revenue that we get from those events back into local community meetups, very much like the one that we're in right now. To do that, we need your help. So can everybody just get their phones out for me, please, real quick?
I need to get out of the way of the QR code, don't I?
I'm usually allowed to do this at a meetup, but I'll give you permission. There's a QR code right there. For us to be able to host the most amazing events and for us to put on talks that you will want to hear, we need your feedback. So if you could please go to that page on the QR code, there's a 5-minute multiple choice survey. For every survey completed, we are going to donate £1 to Centrepoint, which is one of the UK's biggest homeless charities, as well as you will get a discounted ticket to one of our awesome events. That's it from me, really. Thank you, everybody, for having me, and yeah, enjoy the event.
Brilliant. Thanks, Dave.
See you later.
Nice to see you, man.
See you later.
He needs to get a train, so either that or I need to change my aftershave. Right, so yes, DevOps Connect, big supporters of us. So yes, thank you to Jamie. You probably know Ethan, little Ethan from Yorkshire, so he works for him. Right, so DevOps. We'll get rid of this slide, right? So we're here to talk about DevOps. Who's here for the first time? Yeah, a few people. Good. Mark. The first time since the last time, yeah. Okay, so brilliant that you're here for the first time. I usually stand up and do a little bit of introduction of like what DevOps is, although frankly, we've been doing DevOps for about 15 years now and I still don't know what it is and never actually am going to. So hit me up if you think you know some better answers to that. So we're here to talk about all these tools and also about the culture of DevOps. So people, processes, technology, an old mantra that my mate Marcus, where are you? Where's Marcus gone? We'll remember very well from the Contino days. So that's the sort of things that we talk about. So DevOps, not just a whole load of tools and Terraform and Kubernetes. Do you like my t-shirt, by the way? Yeah, penny's dropping, isn't it?
Voice recognition, right?
Voice recognition, exactly, yes. So I sit on Zoom meetings, we talk about Kubernetes. Zoom thinks it's Kubernetes, which sounds like a fantastic Havanan bar somewhere in Cuba. So yeah, so people, processes, culture, Kubernetes, Terraform, etc., blah, 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 blah. My favorite definition of DevOps from Ken, it's a cultural thing, imagining developing, deploying and operating a system, so people getting together to do that sort of thing within your organisation. Hopefully that resonates with people. Couple of nods, I'll take that. The night is still early. So London DevOps, we've been going for 10 years and a bit now. And this has always been the very simple raison d'etre, if you like, of why we're here. So as my friend Mr. Markham likes to say, this is the only opportunity where this exact group of people will be together in this room. So let's make the most of that. Have some conversations, talk to people you don't know, and yeah, share knowledge. Listen to the talks. Everything that you see in the talks is shareable, unless otherwise stated. Nobody has yet otherwise stated, which is nice. Mr. JJ, and here's our first presenter for the evening, JJ. That's all right, man. It's all right, man. Come on in. So everything we've done, barring odd SD card malfunctions and stuff, has been recorded and is up on our YouTube channel. So that's there. YouTube.com/@London DevOps also works. Hopefully these talks will be as well. There's our code of conduct. This is something we do take seriously. So if you haven't read it before, please just have a little look at that while I just grab a little drink. So yes, we have enforced it twice, I think. Twice in 85 meetups is not bad, but we won't hesitate to do it again. Right, here are our organisers. 3 of the 4 are here tonight. So basically this group wouldn't exist as it does now, thanks to Mark picking it up off the ground 10 years ago. So say hello, Mark, here and ever present, doing a fantastic job. That's me. Jack's also here. Where are you, Jack? Say hello. Brilliant. Alex sadly can't make it tonight, but does a whole load of work that we don't have time to do for this meetup. So thank you very much to Alex. So we're also sponsored by a few people, so we just go through them nice and quickly. So Prism Digital, run by Alex Dover, is a recruitment company specialising in DevOps and cloud consultancy. They're not here tonight for the first time in a while. So we were organising this meeting. Alex is like, "Oh, no, we can't come," and I'm like, "Oh, Alex can't come." And I realised how much they actually contribute to this meetup, and I really miss them. So yes, if you're looking for a new job, or if you're hiring in the DevOps or cloud space, then go and talk to Prism Digital. We're also sponsored by WeShape, and Jack represents WeShape, or somebody else is going to represent WeShape. Come along, say hello.
Hello everyone. So Jack's given me the liberties to do this talk today, so lucky him, he has to sit down in the seat. So I know some of you are new to DevOps, so it's really good to meet you all. Who knows about WeShape in the room? And it's right to say no, I'm not going to get angry, so that's right. Yeah, Jack knows about it. So really simple, and on a high level, WeShape's an award-winning tech consultancy. We're working with companies across manufacturing, retail, even public sector. So where we're helping them is across DevOps, software, data and cloud. So this can be when they don't know where they're going, we can come and help them on that strategy as well. So we can come in with the advisory services, whether it's UK or nearshore. But if they just kind of need help on project delivery as well, we're also that partner for them as well. So we'll help them, complete the project within time and within budget with that interim augmentation piece as well. But also, if they don't want to do anything, we'll take on the whole project off your hands as well. No risk, no nothing for you. But I know there's a lot of people in the room sometimes looking for opportunities as well. WeShape have an amazing TA team. So if you are looking for opportunities in the market, WeShape work with these customers across the industries. So feel free to get a hold of whether me, Jack, and actually Emma's in the room as well. She's actually our finance coordinator, our CFO. So be really nice to her. She pays my wage. So, but yeah, if you do want to get information on anything, or you are looking for opportunities, just feel free to give me or Jack a shout and help you out. So that's me. Cheers. Thank you guys.
Good stuff. Okay, we're also supported by Kyndryl. Anyone from Kyndryl in the room? Don't think we've got anyone from Kyndryl, so thank you very much to Kyndryl for sponsoring the meetup. Also, a new sponsor, Squared Up. Anyone from Squared Up here tonight? They were here last time, but looks like they're not here tonight. So yeah, we couldn't put on these events without the help of the sponsors to get things done, and not least to pay for things. So thank you very much to all of our sponsors. We're also sponsored by O'Reilly, who send us books every now and again. And indeed, and thank you. Who was it who reminded me yesterday to bring books? Thank you very much, that gentleman. So we do have a giveaway later on. You might see the Slido on for these 2 books. No, JJ, they're not just yours because you're the tallest here. So yeah, we do a giveaway. You need to pay attention during the talks because there are going to be some very, very difficult questions based on the talks. So yeah, we've got Kubernetes security, Kubernetes, and observability, and observability engineering. I particularly like, this is a good book, I particularly like this one. It's written by Charity and Liz, who you may be familiar with, Charity Majors and Liz Thorne-Jones. So yeah, thank you to O'Reilly. I think that's the last of the book, so we need to get back onto them, get some more. And tonight we are very, very grateful to be sponsored by TeraSky, who are in this building. You're in this WeWork?
No, actually, I'm home. We work at St. Catherine's Docks.
St. Catherine's Docks, yeah.
They won't let evening events happen there, so they put us here.
Well, more full then.
So
yeah, massive thanks to John and his team. Let's give him a round of applause for putting this together. They've also put on the pizza and the drinks as well. So yes, fantastic stuff. Thank you.
Way too much pizza, so people take more pizza.
Right back to a ball. Fantastic. Okay, so coming up, DevOps Days London is next week. It is actually next week. So there's still tickets around. I'm going to be a helper at that event. Anyone else going? Already? Mark's going, yeah, brilliant. Jack's going as well, fantastic. JJ, you was that hand up? Yeah, some people. So yeah, still tickets available. It is not an expensive conference. It's a fantastic experience. I've dotted stickers around as well. So if you want a DevOps Day sticker that looks a bit like that, then pick one up. And I've also got some in my pocket if they've all gone. Talking of things in my pocket, I've also got these flyers for AI for the rest of us. So this is a conference, a brand new conference happening next month, end of next month. I get one up on being a helper at this one because I'm going to be a track host.
Yeah.
So 4 tracks and a main track. The narrative here on AI for the rest of us is that it's cutting through all the hype and frankly some of the nonsense that you get around AI these days. Yes, exactly. Well,
Just use the word that.
that's the word I used on someone who I'd only just met. I do apologise. But yes.
Not the fluff, not the hype, the fluff.
Fluff. Let's go with fluff. So yeah, AI for the rest of us, no fluff. So yeah, that's happening end of next month. There you go. You can win a ticket. So there's flyers around, right? Selfie. Answer that question. Right, why do you think AI fluency is important? If you put that on LinkedIn, first person or the best, I'm not sure actually if it's first or best, put it on LinkedIn, we'll get a free ticket to it. So yeah, 2-day conference, AI for the rest of us, 4 tracks, you get to see me. Oh, actually, well, forget I said that.
Answer that question on LinkedIn. Answer the question.
Answer that question, yeah, answer that question on LinkedIn with a selfie with the flyer. There's flyers around the place. I've also got a couple in my pocket if they've all been nabbed and taken. So yeah, if you want to do that and you can't find a flyer, come find me because there's one in my pocket. So yeah, hope to see you there for that. So that's it for the roundup. Sorry, not the roundup. The introductions. Tell us what you think. You probably already know these URLs, the meetup and the LinkedIn page. So please do tell us what you think. If you enjoy it here and everything's brilliant, then fantastic. We do like to hear that. Doesn't do our egos much good, but we're also interested in hearing from you if there's things you don't like, things that you want us to improve. Any sort of constructive feedback of that fashion will be really, really graciously appreciated. We don't get much negative feedback, which kind of annoys me a bit because I'm like, well, surely there's something we could be doing better. So if there's something you're like, I didn't really like that, but I don't want to upset anyone, but please just throw it in there. Also, if you've got venues, we're doing quite well for venues. I think we're actually stacked up till the end of the year, which is absolutely unprecedented in 10 years, right, Mark? So that's really, really good. But then we're looking 2025 and beyond. Yeah, venues, if you want to speak, if you know someone who wants to speak, then also please do get in touch with us either through these blobbly things or by talking to one of us. So that's it, really. So tonight we've got 2 talks. Firstly, we've got Victor where's he gone? Oh, he's there. Thank God he's still there, okay. From S-Bombify, he's going to talk about S-bombs. Anyone heard of S-bombs?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So, yeah, Victor's going to talk about S-bombs, and then John from our host TeraSky will be talking about AI and ML ops in the age of platform engineering. Okay, so yeah, thank you to everyone for coming. Let's get that on the. Why was that worthy of a snort?
Glasses, because it involved me.
It's what he's wearing.
Total dunce. Yes. I'm a showman.
John's a showman. He wears the glasses. It's fine. We're all good. Come on in. Thank you. No worries. Cool. Okay. Right. So, oh yeah, you might want to get that on your phones if you want to be with a chance of winning one of these books. I don't think the competition is open yet. I do warn you, the questions are extremely difficult. Cool. All right, so who's first? Victor, do you want to come on up and let's get you going?